Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions Maths as Fun. Today we are going to read about the trigonometry. What topics we are going to cover in the trigonometry? That number one, first of what is the trigonometry? What is trigonometry? What is the trigonometry? And second things, we are going to read ratios of trigonometry. Ratio. The two topics we are going to complete in this video. Let's come. What is these things? So first of things comes, what is the trigonometry? Trigonometry word is made by the three words. First word coming tri. Tri means three. Tri means three. Gono. Gono means sides. Gono means what? Sides. And metron. Metron, that is called measurement. That is called measurement. Measurement means what? The trigonometry is the study of the three sides measurement. Study of three sides measurement. So where we are using the three sides? Three sides are found in a one polygon that is known as triangle. That is known as triangle. So this is a one triangle. There are the different types of triangles are there. There are the, according to the sides, there are the three type triangles are there. Number one, that is called the scalene triangle. No sides are equal. Next coming isosceles. Iso means two. Okay, same. That is two sides are equal. That is called the isosceles triangle. Next coming equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal. In a triangle in which all sides are equal, that is called the equilateral triangle. According to angle, that is also the three types triangle are there. Number one, that is called the acute angle triangle. The triangle in which all angles are less than 90 degree is called the acute angle triangle. Next number coming, that is called the obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle means the triangle in which one angle is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, more than 190 degree is called the more than 90 degree. It is called the obtuse angle triangle. Another called right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means what? The triangle in which one angle 90 degree, one angle 90 degree, that is called the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, this trigonometry all only applicable in the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, where it is useful. It is useful to measure, suppose that how much height of the, from here, how much height of the moon. We cannot have a measurement tape to measure it. But if we know the where we are standing, what is the angle between it, we can find out it. Suppose that it is telling what is the height of the Qutub Minar, or what is the height of the another building, or anything else who are above, flying the aeroplane flying, or maybe the downside, I am standing on the top of the terrace and I can see one girl is standing downside. So what is the distance between me and the girl? What is that girl is far from the building? That we are finding in the trigonometry. That all we use in the trigonometry. So trigonometry is applicable in the right angle triangle, only in the right angle triangle. Now let's read about the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, it is a right angle triangle A, B, C. In that B is right angle. B is right angle. B is 90 degree. So this angle, this opposite to 90 degree, that is called the hypotenuse. What called that? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse called. On which the triangle is standing. On which the triangle is standing, that is called the base. That is called the base. And remaining, that is called the height. That is called the height. Height. Now in this, the angle we are measuring. So angle, this is 90 degree, then angle A plus angle C, that also will be 90 degree, because of the sum of interior angle of a triangle is always 180 degree. Because of angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is equal to always 180 degree. Or angle B is already given 90 degree to you. Already 90 degree given. So angle A and angle C, that also will be the 90 degree. That also will be the 90 degree. Now we are reading in that, suppose that these angles are given anywhere. that name given, let it be theta. Let it be Theta. Theta is a Latin word. It means is simple a measurement. Simple a measurement. It can be from the 0 to 360. 0 to 360. Suppose that I given the theta here. Theta here. So what is the opposite side of the theta? This is the sign is the theta sign. Opposite of this what? This is opposite. This is the opposite side. This is the opposite side. Hypotenuse is always opposite to the 90 degree. Whatever the 90-degree angle is there, that is the opposite is always hypotenuse. That is the biggest side of a triangle. Biggest side of a triangle. Now this is called the opposite now. That time I written it is height. It is also height. You can speak at opposite also. Opposite to theta. Now remaining thing, this is called the adjacent side. Next one. See opposite adjacent, where the adjacent sides or angles which are having the same corner, one corner. The two lines meet at a one corner, one place. That is called the adjacent. So this is called the adjacent side. What are that? Adjacent side. Okay, this is the theta, then this is what? Hypotenuse. This is the opposite and this is the adjacent. Adjacent. Suppose that I change the angle like this. Here is the A, here is the B and here is the C. Now this is 90 degree. So already you know this will be the hypotenuse. This will be the hypotenuse. Now this is the theta. This is the theta. So which will be the opposite? BC will be the opposite. What will be the opposite? BC will be the opposite. Opposite side. This is hypotenuse. This is opposite. And then this is what remaining? Adjacent. What remaining it is? According to that, according to these angles and sides, there are the 6 trigonometric ratios are there. How many trigonometric ratios are there? 6. How much trigonometric ratios are there? 6 trigonometric ratios are there. That names I am going to write here. So first name, it is Latin names. Writing sine. Sine. Don't speak it sin. Speak it sine. Okay. Sine. Its shortcut is written is sine only. And angle, it can be the theta, it can be the A, it can be the B, C, D, any alphabet. Phi, psi, alpha, beta, gamma, omega, anyone it can be used. So sine, suppose that I am telling the angle as a theta. Angle as a theta. So sine theta. Then it is coming the another one. Cosine theta. Cosine. Cosine it is. Total name is cosine. Shortcut we are speaking it cos. What we are speaking? Cos. And it is the theta. Sine, cos. Next coming another one tangent. Another what coming? Tangent. Tangent. Tangent means we are shortcut is speaking tan. What we are speaking? Tan. And theta is the theta. You can write it short also, like this also can write. Okay. Next coming here, opposite to this one. This is called the cosecant. 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 Shortcut we are speaking it cosec. What we are speaking? Cosec. And theta is there theta. Next coming secant. Next coming secant. And shortcut we are speaking it sec. Sec theta. Theta is angle. You can write A, B, C, D, alpha, beta, gamma, omega, phi, psi, anything else you can write. Then coming cot. Next coming cot. That is called the cotangent. 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 Shortcut we are speaking cot and theta is. So what are that? Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. These are the ratios names. Ratios names. Now ratio means the two things are divided, or in a particular in a same one thing increase, another thing also increase or decrease, like that in a particular quantity, measurement of the two quantities. Now how to remember in a order wise this one? So we can remember it as a order wise. We can write C now this one. Yes, C. Sachin care. Sachin care taker. Sachin caretaker with co. Okay. With co SC. Sachin caretake with the co SC. SC. This you can remember it. SCT COSC. Otherwise CSC. You can write at CSC also. To remember it order wise. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. These are the ratios. Now how to find these are the names. These are the names. Erasing it. Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Now, how to find these ratios in a triangle? This is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. In that right angle triangle, this is the 90 degree, and is suppose that it is A, it is B, it is C. It is 90 degree, then it is called the hypotenuse. In that one triangle, in that has the side also. It has the side. Suppose that we are taking the one Pythagorean triplet. You already know in a right angle triangle, we are using the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. In that triplet, it is called the C square is equal to A square plus B square. We can write it like this also. Mean side. Suppose that this side is called the C, this is called the A, and this is called the B. Then we can write it like this also. We can write it like this. How to find it? Suppose that any side not given, that we are finding by the Pythagoras theorem. By the whatever the side not given, first of all you have to find by the Pythagoras theorem. Then what are the things in that? Suppose that this is given this is the theta. This is the theta. So this will be the opposite, and this will become the adjacent. This will become the adjacent. In that, to find this one, suppose that this value is the 2, and this is 3, and this is the 5 centimeter. These are the numbers. Suppose that this is the triangle numbers. Otherwise, you can say that this is the 4, this is the 3, this is the 5 centimeters. This is the Pythagorean triplet number. 3, 4, 5. Pythagorean triplet. Then I will ask, what is the value of the sine theta? What is the value of the sine theta? This is the question mark. So how to find? Just a small trick. That's a small trick now. To find the ratios in that, there is a small trick is there to remember you. Just remember OAO by HHA. O means opposite, A means adjacent. O means opposite, H means hypotenuse, H means hypotenuse, A means adjacent. Opposite, adjacent, opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. This is the sine. Sine is equal to what? O by H. Then cos is equal to what? A by H. And tan is equal to what? O by A. Next, ulta make it, reverse. HHA by OAO. This is the next. What is the cosec?
H by O.
H by O. What is the sec?
H by A.
H by A. Then what is the cot?
A by O.
A by O. Otherwise, sine opposite is cosec, cos opposite is sec, and tan opposite is cot. That. Okay, dear students, now seeing that in this triangle, we are going to write the values of this. So what is the value of the sine theta?
4 by 5.
Opposite by hypotenuse. Which is the opposite? 4. Opposite is AB. 4. By what is the hypotenuse?
5.
5. So this is the value of the sine theta. What is the value of the cos? Cos is equal to adjacent by the hypotenuse. Adjacent. Which is the adjacent?
3.
3 is the adjacent. What is the hypotenuse? 5. Next, tan theta is equal to what will become? Opposite by adjacent. What is the opposite?
4 by 3.
4 by 3. Next coming, cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to what?
5 by
What is the cosec theta? Is opposite
5
to
by
the sine
4.
theta. Whatever the number written here, see, whatever the number written here, just make it reverse. 5 by 4. What is the sec theta? Opposite to the cos.
5 by 3.
5 by 3. Next, what is the opposite of the tan? What is the opposite of the
3
tan?
by 4.
So what is that? 3 by 5. 3 by 5.
3 by 4.
10. Okay, this one is the 10. 10 is equal to what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So what is the opposite? Opposite by this and adjacent is this. 4 by 3. So what will become here? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. That's all the values in that.